Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can speed up your video clips using the CapCut video editor. So let's get started. So start with a completely new video project, add a video file to your timeline or to your video track here below, like that one here for demonstration purposes. And now guys, if I click on that play button here, I will see in the preview mode that this video clip has normal speed, and you can slow down or speed up your video with one click of your mouse. It is actually mind-blowingly simple. So simply select your video clip here on your timeline, and next guys, go to this section of your toolbar to the right where it says speed, and simply adjust your video clip speed. For example, currently it is on default speed, which is 1, so I will double the speed of that video clip for demonstration purposes and watch that video in the preview mode. As you can see, it has doubled its speed. Remember also guys that the faster your video clip, the shorter also its duration. For example, if you double your speed, it will halve in duration. Of course guys, you can also slow down your video clip by setting your speed on, I don't know, 0.5. And yes, simply enjoy the effects of it and play around here as much as you like. So that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later.